comparing different countries regarding their carbon dioxide emissions. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Carbon dioxide emission is a global problem, perhaps even more so, a big problem for individual countries. The increase in energy consumption per capita is a condition for the industrial, economic and generally social development of underdeveloped and developing countries. In this chapter, the problem of objectively comparing different countries in terms of their carbon dioxide emissions is discussed in the light of climate and environmental justice. Applied methodology represents the combination of analytical method and comparative method. 2 traditional and 3 untraditional complex indicators are considered. The indicators are applied to a selected group of countries that includes part of the BRICS countries and the G7 countries. The application of untraditional complex indicators results in a different distribution of the considered countries compared to the traditional ones. In addition, certain differences in the distribution of the considered countries occur among untraditional complex indicators. The chapter also discussed the possibilities of further improvement in the definition of appropriate indicators for an advanced comparison of different countries in terms of their carbon dioxide emissions. Complex indicators that comprise anthropogenic carbon dioxide emissions, forest absorption capacity, and population can contribute to objective comparison of different countries regarding their carbon dioxide emissions from the climate and environmental justice point of view. It would be more appropriate to extend the analysis and to comprise the change in the environmental system's structure along the power system's transition trajectory. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.